Hello, it's me again, your boy TT Mbha. Today is day 3. We're about to meet winner number 3. It's exciting to, come early in the morning and you're about to change someone's life because we are here to pimp her space. Her name is Phimi or Phakedi, and let's go inside. She lives in a beautiful cluster development. Come through.
Hi,
Hello.
Richie. Hi,
How are you?
Good, and yourself?
Phimi Phakedi, ne?
Yes.
Think we can hug. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm good. Were you expecting us?
Of course.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Yo, this woman, she sent some very beautiful pictures. You've got a beautiful apartment.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Welcome to my home.
Wow. So you've got a beautiful apartment, and I'm just interested to know, why did you choose the lounge instead of maybe the kitchen or your bedroom?
What I wanted actually, when you walk inside the house, that's when you see everything. So I wanted the space to be
The center of attraction. No, that's nice. I mean, it's a beautiful space. Yeah.
So yeah.
And for me, I'm excited about this because it's an empty canvas, so we can do so much. I mean, I hope you like color. I hope we're at the color.
I love colors.
Okay, so the whole idea around Edgars Home Pimp My Space is we go with you to the store, and you get to choose stuff that you like. So we don't dictate in terms of what you must have and what you mustn't have. We just advise. Based on the space, we know what the colors are like. This is what we advise that you must get, and in the end, I think you'll be happy. I mean, I'm excited about this.
Oh, wow.
Are you?
I'm excited.
Ready
Let's
to
do
go?
this.
Let's bounce. Let's
Yes.
bounce. Let's bounce. That's also nice. It's a nice pattern. I actually like this. Because remember, this, when we put nice colorful cushions, it's going to pick up.
It's gonna pick up.
Yeah.
Is this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually quite nice.
Yeah. I think it's not bad. It's nice.
Do you want to go white?
Yeah. I think this one
Okay.
and the white one.
So let's go white, and then we go this white, ne? Because these are nice and big. I think so.
You think so?
Because these are small.
Yeah.
You want to go big? It's a lounge.
Yeah,
it's a lounge area.
lounge.
I think the white will work. Yeah, Copa A is 2, ne? Either that or that. Can I see that orange one? Can you just bring it here? Let's just try it out. We're experimenting. ne?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Wait,
Definitely.
your couch is in a little brown.
In a little brown. Wow. And then we
Which
do
combination
that
is better
here.
between
I
that,
think this.
that, or that? So look at that and look at that. And tell me which.
I love this because of it brings a. This
I
is
like it too. Can you have another one like this? Wait, how much are they? Hey, you must stick to the budget. $299.95. It's the same price as
this one.
It's a little bit more expensive than this because this is $49.95. But I think
Okay.
this is nice.
Okay. This is nice.
I think this is nice.
Yeah.
These are so nice. Oh my word! I'm gonna buy this for myself as well. I'm gonna buy this for myself.
These are nice.
We are about to pay. I mean, should we start with the curtains? Because I mean that's a priority.
Let's start
The
with the
masking,
curtains.
so we hopefully are gonna be in budget, right?
Let's hope so.
How much?
It's 8,889.
So we've still got 1,000 to Nyana. 1,000 to Nyana. Hello.
Hello.
1,000 to Nyana.
Come back.
How? Let's go see what we can find. We made it. Just in budget. 900 and... Let me come around, man. 9,988 rand, 60 cents. Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Siyabonga. Kulungile. Bye. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. I can't believe this is really happening. I feel so great. Thank you so much.
Edgars Home. Look at what you've done to this woman's life. That's what it's about. I'm sure your husband and your son are going to be very happy when they get home today.
They'll be so excited. Thank you so much, Edgars Home. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Edgars Home, pimp my space.
Oh, yeah.
We're about to go pimp a space for real, for real, for real, for real. So I'm excited about these cushions in particular because they are popping with color. And I think they're just gonna bring life to this lounge area. And come on, for $299.95, are you kidding me? It's gonna be dope. Believe it or not, I'm now becoming a big fan of curtains because Edgars Home has exposed me to such. So as a man, for me, it's like, we're gonna put these up, man. We're gonna hang them curtains and hang them well. Oh, modimo a kgotso ra wa rona ko magodimong ra go leboga re feditse.
We are done.
O feel jwang?
I feel good. Look at this place. I mean, like, it's you know, I don't know. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, guys.
It's really colorful. I'm actually in awe of what has been done here. On a little throw, on a little cushion.
I mean, look at this.
The
Look
mirrors,
at
the mirrors. Like you have no excuse not to leave home. Usishap,
Very true.
Aker. Wa bona go tsagalang now enter a competition at Edgars Home. Pimp my space. We've really pimped your space up.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you.
You heard it from her. What I really love about the Edgars Home Pimp My Space competition is that it's not only fun to be around different people and helping them pimp their space, but it's actually quite an emotional journey of seeing how we're able to change lives of people, ordinary people, and creating extraordinary spaces for them. Here's a young lady who's married with a 3-year-old. She's so excited. She feels blessed to have this opportunity to be able to pimp her lounge. That's what it's about. Special, special, special.